Okay, it is Tuesday, July 19th, 2022. It's about 4:30 p.m. and it is 107 degrees outside. It feels like 112. I have an excessive heat warning. So I figured I'd film my Bryant preferred air conditioners running and the neighbors' units as well in this heat. Since we don't get heat like this all the time, it always gets hot here in Texas, but I don't remember the last time it was this hot, so. But yeah, of course the downstairs unit did start working again. Though, I could be wrong, but I think the compressor is louder than it used to be. But has been working great since last week, so. Of course, it's a 4-ton from 2020. Upstairs one is 3-ton from 2019. The line is actually not sweaty at all. It's not really that sweaty on the downstairs one, but it's pretty cold though. But yeah, the upstairs unit has been running constantly in the afternoon when it's in the heat of the day. Still does keep it nice and cool up there, but until it's having to work in this heat. Here's the neighbor's train, which never made a video of it since it was short cycling last March, but it did start working again as well. Some kids have been coming over here and climbing through the window. So they turned it on and it's been working. Yeah, 2015 5-ton is filthy. And that is fairly cold. All right, let's go take a look at the neighbor's American Standard now. Here's the American Standard. I have to make this quick because the people who used to live in here moved out last year, and I don't know the new people, so. Very cold and sweaty. Anyways, I guess over and out.